Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me again, Filipina MJ Vlog. How to apply an overseas Filipino worker. Back to my YouTube channel. This is me again, Filipina MJ Vlog. If you are new to my channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share so that you will be updated for my next video. For today's topic, guys, I will share with you because someone requested me to make this content. Thank you for suggesting this kind of content. Yes, guys, thanks. Started. For today's topic, guys, is how to apply an overseas Filipino worker. This is the steps, guys, that I will share with you. Number 1, determine your eligibility to check your meet and basic eligibility requirements. Work abroad: age, educational qualification, work experience, and language professionally. Different countries of job position may have specific requirements, so research to identify the countries and industry that align your qualification. Like example, your requirements, you must be prepared that one. You must determine your eligibility, number 1. So number two, research your job opportunities. Explore job opportunities in your desired country industry. You can use your various research such as online job portals, government website, or consult with licensed recruitment agency. Overseas employment, research demand of your skill, employment condition, and cultural, legal aspect, and ranking your particular country. You have to make sure that you research your job opportunities with which country will you apply, or you can use website to check your. That's number 2. You have to research job opportunity, so decide which country or which industry. Search the demand of your skills. What is your skill, or what is your job that you want to be applied. Prepare your documents. Gather necessary documents in your application. This may include a valid passport, government issue identification documents, educational certificate, professional license or certification, or applicable employment history. Your reference and the supporting documents ensure that your documents up to comply with your requirements and chosen destination. You must prepare, guys, that your documents or necessary application like certificate or professional or license or etc. guys, employment history, like you have before that your experience before, you must comply that one also. History, you have experience before, like me, I have a production operator, so I have to comply that one requirements also, guys. But anyway, it's depend your job that you will be applying, right? It's up to you, guys, what is your job or what is your experience before. You must to prepare that one documents. So number 4, choose a licensed recruitment agency. If you are decide to go through a recruitment agency, choose to be reputable and licensed agency like Approved and Philippine Overseas Employment Administration. You must choose also, guys, that your agency you will gonna apply is, you must choose that you register as the POAA, licensed agency to provide guidance assistance with application process with help ensure your right and welfare. To protected, verified agency are protected to record before engaging your service. You must choose that agency that you will gonna apply is registered in POAA. So this is very important, guys, because we have another agency that illegal or legal. So not registered in POEs. You must choose or you must check that is it legit. 5. Submit your application. Prepare your application package including a resume, cover letter, or follow the specific application procedure. The employer, some agency is required to undergo an initial interview. It's depend, guys, because as what I am said, that it's depend of your position that you will gonna applying. So someone will applying like a skills, we have an initial interview and then medical examination. Me, guys, as domestic helper, so we don't have initial interview, guys, only in the agency. But the employer is not, no, only the skilled worker. So medical examination the next. And number 6, attend pre-departure orientation if your application successful. You will be required to attend pre-departure orientation provided by the POEE or requirement agency. This orientation will provide important information about your rights, responsibilities as an OFW, cultural, undergo departure, preparation prior of your departure. Make necessary arrangements such as a travel booking, accommodation, or the other logistical. Consideration, it is the advisable inform your family closer contact about your plan. To provide them with your contact, your employment abroad. Once all the preparation are complete, you can travel your destination country in which began with your employment as an OFW. Follow the employment contract. Be aware of your rights and responsibilities, and stay contact with your recruitment agency and the Philippines embassy, and consult and the host country and any assistant or support if you need. So reminder, guys, it is crucial to exercise caution and vigilance throughout the application process. Be aware of illegal recruitment agency to job offer you seem good to be true. Research and verify legitimately so that of the recruitment agency and the job opportunity before proceeding. So this reminder, guys, that you must research that your agency is illegal. We must register it in POEE. You must to make sure that the agency that you will gonna applying is legit. I will make apologize with you guys because my video that I will make apologize with you guys because my phone is full of storage, and then every time that I will gonna make a video, then my phone will gonna say that full storage. So bye, guys, that's for today's video. So I hope, guys, that if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share so that you will be gonna updated for my next video. So I will gonna also one of the reason my phone. So my phone is always full storage. And this is me again, Filipina MG Vlog.